Hi, I'm Jeffrey, and then this is my friend Ree. We are the guide which is signed by association to bring all the customers or all clients to the jungle. And then throughout the journey, we'll be explaining about the trees, about everything what is interesting in the jungle, flora and fauna, everything. And the procedure is, again, we have to register with our association, and then the service of guide will be done by us. Okay? And then we welcome you all to Baik Waterfall, and then to explore the Waterfall of Tampik. And we will be explaining about the flora and fauna, whatever things interesting in the Waterfall of Tampik. Thank you.
Hello there! I'm now at the entrance of Tampik Waterfall track, Baik. So I'm so happy and excited for today's trekking because a few days ago my friends had been telling me about this wonderful trek of Tampik Waterfall Baik. So I'm quite curious, what's so special about this trek? Let's follow me to learn about what's so special about this trek. So let's go!
Ini pun dah rasa penat ni.
Penat dah.
Baru 2 minit. Dah terasa juga ni. Macam mana rasa anda? Oh,
Aku
tengok.
tak pernah janda trekking. Letih. Letih. Tengok tinggi lagi tu. Masak aku. Tak apa, kita gagahi juga.
Ya, hidup.
Hidup. Hidup Shopee.
Finally arrived at one of the timber trees here. So this is, we call, the local here call it Kokotong, or the scientific name is Sinometra malacensis. So Kokotong is one of the trees that has market demand here in Malaysia. So let's go and continue our journey up. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is another Kokotong tree that can be found in the trail. So, but this one is a a bigger species might be older than the other one. So let's go.
Orang belakang dah congak-congak. Dah tak larat.
Okay, hi everybody. Now we are at the fourth tier of Tampik Waterfall. It's a bit rocky up here, and you can enjoy water activities, but just be sure to be careful since it can become a little bit slippery up here. So enjoy. Wow, can you look at that? This is another giant tree. This tree is enormous, maybe 2 or 3 times my body size. This tree is actually Meranti Bukit, or its botanical name is Shoria platyclados. So Meranti Bukit is one of the high value timber species in Malaysia. It basically be used for variety of furnitures. So you can only see this if you come visit Tampik Waterfall, and don't forget to check it out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we finally arrived at level 5. This waterfall actually has a total of 7 tiers, and now we are at level 5. So, woo! What a breathtaking view! Woo! Okay, let's go. I'll show you the real view of Tampik Waterfall. Let's go. Hi viewers, we are now at 5th tier of Tampik Waterfall. You can see the absolutely stunning view. Wow, I wouldn't miss this view. So don't forget to check out this place. Visit Tampik Waterfall for further information, tampikwaterfall.com, and we'll see you here very soon. Bye bye. challenging hike, but I promise you, it's gonna worth it. Did you guys enjoy yourself up there? Yeah! So don't forget to come here. Bye-bye.
Best. Yeah, good. Best.